So let's start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, take the legs nice and wide, bring that right arm up, inhale, exhale over to the left, come back to center. Inhale, lengthen, exhale over, back to center, inhale and exhale, coming back to center, swap the arms. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale over. From center, inhale and exhale. Back to center. Last one. Inhale and exhale. And back to center. So do the forward bend. So hands to the hips. We'll inhale, exhale. Try and bring the body parallel to the ground, keeping the back flat. And coming back up. So again, inhale. Exhale, coming forwards. So remember, only go as far as feels good for you. Nothing should hurt. So coming back up. One more inhale. And exhale to that halfway point, body parallel. And coming back up. So we'll add a little back bend. So place the palms into the lower back. Squeeze the elbows together, shoulder blades together. Inhale first. Exhale, look up. Inhale there. Exhale, come forwards to that halfway point. And back to standing. Again, inhale. Exhale, look up. Inhale. Exhale, forwards. Coming back up. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, looking up. Inhale. Exhale, coming forwards. So either stay at the halfway point or slide the hands down the legs towards the feet. Remember, just wherever you get to. And then we'll roll on up through the spine. We're going to start with a chair pose. So bring the feet together, palms to the chest. Inhale, exhale, sit back. Bring the arms up and palms together. If that feels good for you. Remember, there are always modifications. So you can keep the hands to the chest. You can keep looking forwards. Even have the feet hip width apart. And just find a chair pose that doesn't hurt. Now we're coming back up. We're going to add the star pose, balance. So we'll inhale. Exhale, come back into your chair pose. And we'll hold there first. Then bring the weight onto the left leg and we'll lift that right leg. Remember, belly button squeezed in, finding that focus point. We're coming down. We'll do one more the other side. So inhale, exhale, sitting back. Hold the chair pose. Weight on the right leg, bring that left leg up. Hold in there. And bring the leg down. So standing pose, we'll do high lunge to start with. So right foot forward, left foot back. Bending that front knee, back heel is up. If you want to, add the low twist. So the outside of the elbow goes to the outside of the knee. We'll come back up and do the other side. So left leg forward, right leg back. So we can either stay with the basic high lunge or add the low twist. and come back up. We'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.